Ah, hard water just ruins this really nice looking glass. But we can polish it off, and I will show you how at this beautiful Port Madison home. Way off in the distance is a ferry. Let's zoom in real quick. Hi, ferry. All right, heading to Edmonds. Okay, so I'm going to get the glass wet, and I'm going to use a white pad, and I'm going to use glass polish, and I'm going to put some on. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, so if this video quality is not amazing, well, find the one showing how to do this that's amazing. Then I'm going to scrub extremely hard for a while. And I am pushing very hard. My forearms are sweating. I'm gonna switch hands. And I'm gonna give it a wipe, and we'll show how much has come off. I purposefully have not done to this side. Okay, so here you can see it's gone. And then as I go over to here, you can see it's not gone. So that is how you polish shower glass, or shower glass. I typically do shower glass. Exterior glass. And I'm gonna do that everywhere on this panel and everywhere on that panel. So, thanks for watching how to polish shower, or golly, I did it again. How to polish hard water spots off of exterior glass windows. And if you look super close, you can see there's no scratching, there's no swirls, there ain't nothing. It's just removed.